Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If somebody's having trouble power clipping this SVG file into this picture, I don't know. He said he used a generator that I must have made or didn't make, but showed off years ago. And if you ungroup this file, you can see that it's broken up into different lines and not really squares. So what I did just now, and it takes just a little bit of time, is to take your Smart Fill tool, have your nudge factor set on bigger than this. I made this I made your picture 6.5 and I made the puzzle. And then just take the Smart Fill tool and fill in every block. And what the Smart Fill tool does is makes a new object. So some of these lines are red, some of them are blue, some of them are black. And what I'm doing is making totally new objects. So that's enough of that. I did that. And then I just left click, right click to make these objects. And you can see they're individual objects where this is not. So then once you have this, you would probably want to group this together. And because the picture is the same size, you could put P just to see it. You don't have to have the picture there to do a power clip. I do not like power clipping, but it does work in this case. So grab your picture, go up to Object, Power Clip, Inside Frame, and then hit it there. It's going to center it automatically. You're really done. Now, if you want to click on it, it's the only thing I really never liked about power clip. You can't really get out of it. I mean, you can edit it and finish it, but you're still going to have a power clip. And when you're going to print, he's evidently printing this, it'll work. So then all you have to do is take your new power clip, and I guess, if we turned it into a curve, the power clip might go away, but it didn't. But you could go up to Object, Order, Ungroup, and now you have individual puzzle pieces, and it's pretty cool. I mean, you can do a lot with this besides puzzle pieces. Kind of mess with the guys, and you could print that out if that was something you'd want to do. But with individual puzzle pieces, you can cut it out, because I'm pretty sure it's a red hairline, but it's not. So what I would do is go back to get all your puzzle pieces the same. And before I even power clipped it, I would make sure it's a hairline. I just didn't check that. I draw everything in hairline. So if you grab this and change this to a hairline, if you're going to cut it out, and now these are all hairlines. Now it's grouped together, and that's what you really need to make it a power clip. And then grab your picture, go up to Object, Power Clip, Inside Frame. It's going to put it in there automatically. Go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it, and then you'll have individual pieces. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.